High-paying part-time jobs for extra cash. Hi there, it's Luigi and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we're going to discover some of the high-paying part-time jobs that might help you earn some extra cash. If you're into these kinds of videos, then keep watching. Are you strapped for cash? Do you have to live paycheck to paycheck to meet your bills? Then consider flexible side work or on-demand employment if you aren't ready to seek a higher-paying full-time career or don't want to commit to adding a regular part-time job to your calendar. With some of these jobs, you're free to work as much or as little as you choose. You'll be able to plan your time according to how much you want to increase your earnings, and you might finish up with some new talents to add to your resume. You may also combine a range of occupations and transform your side employment into your full-time freelance work. There are several methods to supplement your income, and some of them may be done from home. Traditional employment such as pet sitting or childcare is available, as are new forms of flexible work opportunities, such as driving for Uber or becoming an online shop. Here are some possibly high-paying part-time jobs to consider if you want to earn some additional cash. You might find that some of these are simple to obtain and you don't need further education or training to be hired. You might also be able to choose when you want to work. Rideshare or delivery driver. If you have a trustworthy car and know your city like the back of your hand, you might be able to find vacancies for drivers in places where ride sharing is authorized. Another alternative is to deliver items for corporations such as Amazon. You'll be able to work a flexible schedule and make money from your automobile. UPS recruits part-time drivers and driver assistants. Meal delivery couriers are in high demand too, as the popularity of internet food orders grows. If you possess a scooter, bike, or vehicle, this may be a great side hustle for you. It simply entails collecting hot food from restaurants and delivering it to hungry consumers. Check corporate websites for information on driving, delivery, and delivery assistance employment in your area. You might be able to apply fast and conveniently online using your computer or phone. Pet sitter, dog walker, or sniff spot host. If you prefer animals more than people, pet watching is an excellent method to supplement your income. You may be able to work for a canine daycare or boarding business, or you could work for yourself. One place to start is to ask your family, friends, and neighbors for references. The key requirements for obtaining a part-time pet sitting job vary depending on the pet in question. Simple duties like refilling food in water bowls may not require any additional training or expertise, but customers may search for qualifications like veterinarian training or pet store experience for long-term or specialized care. Some pet sitters charge $25 for a 30-minute visit, $20 to $30 a day, $45 to $75 per night, or $250 to $375 per week. Rates are determined by the services requested. Some factors include whether the pet owner requires 24-hour pet care or assistance on holidays. Also, the number of pets in question. You may also promote your services by registering with websites and applications such as Wag and Rover. Rover is also looking for dog groomers. If you have a dog-friendly yard, you may earn money by being a sniff spot host. Household helper or personal assistant. Do you have housekeeping skills? Can you repair or construct items? Do you like to organize and clean? If so, you may advertise your services on TaskRabbit. You will be able to use this app to search for jobs that interest you after you've been authorized. You can also sign up for Handy or Amazon professional services to locate employment in your area if you have handy person, assembly, or cleaning skills. Additional gigs can also be found through Craigslist and word of mouth. Caregiver. Babysitters are constantly in high demand, and elder care is a rapidly expanding industry. You might be able to find a lot of caregiver opportunities with flexible hours. Signing up for a caregiver service like care.com or finding your own work are two options. Although it's not the most glamorous job, babysitting may be an excellent side hustle regardless of your profession. Even if you already have full-time work, there is undoubtedly money to be gained in babysitting. The average compensation for babysitting is $12 per hour, with some jobs paying up to $18 per hour depending on location. That might easily be used to pay a mobile phone or internet bill, buy groceries, or fill up your car with petrol. You also might be able to establish your availability based on your schedule in any instance. Customer service. One of the fastest increasing vocations is customer service. There are several possibilities for this job, both online and in person. If you need to work around your day job, there are plenty of evening and weekend opportunities that you might be able to find. As technology progresses, an increasing number of individuals are turning to the internet for assistance with everyday concerns. If you find it fulfilling supporting others in resolving their problems, this could be the ideal part-time job for you. Companies today are always trying to engage customer service professionals to assist clients with any difficulty they may be having online, over the phone, via email, and so on. Find a freelance job. If your salary is insufficient and you have the necessary skills and time, it might be a good idea to freelance to supplement your income and career. You may have even considered working as a freelancer full-time. If that's the case, performing some side work is a smart approach to assess if being self-employed is a good idea. Freelancing is a popular career path for many people, particularly those with an entrepreneurial spirit and a desire to break away from the mundane 9-to-5 office job. While freelancing may be liberating in many ways though, it is also a challenging path to follow. Sell your items. If you have an overflowing closet full of clothing, shoes, bags, and accessories, you could try freeing up some room, reducing your wardrobe, and making money by selling what you don't need. To sell those clothes that you haven't worn in forever, visit eBay or one of the internet sites specialized in selling used goods, or use an app like Poshmark or Vinted, for example. When it comes to selling items online, the saying, "one man's trash is another man's treasure," has never been more accurate. You may make money by purchasing and selling low-cost, ordinary products and even stuff that you would otherwise toss away. While rarer things will command the greater bids on sites like eBay, it's not a good idea to ignore the lesser streams of revenue. These small transactions can add up and potentially give you more money. Participate in research studies or focus group discussions. Anyone seeking a way to supplement their income can do so by doing paid internet surveys. You'll find that some of them are trustworthy. Paid online survey sites are simple. Participants answer questions or complete tasks online and receive money in exchange for their time. You may be eligible to participate in a paid research study or online focus groups depending on where you reside. Some are ongoing, while others pay per hour or a set sum for your time. Some professions need in-person participation, while others can be completed online. Do note though that you have to do your research on these opportunities to find out if they are really legitimate and not scams. Tutoring. To become a tutor, you don't need an advanced college degree. College students are frequently recruited to instruct elementary and high school kids or as peer tutors, and a bachelor's degree in a subject area can assist older applicants to get tutoring positions for after school, nights, and weekends. For high school and primary school jobs, contact the guidance office in your school district, and for campus jobs, contact the Career or Student Employment Office. Alternatively, you may instruct online using a service like tutor.com. Host international students. Do you want to learn about various cultures? Every year, hundreds of international students attend U.S. colleges and language schools, and they all require housing. This is an excellent side hustle because all that is necessary is a pleasant spare room and an extra seat at the dinner table. If you're hosting a foreign student, you'll be expected to give either a full board or bed and breakfast with an evening meal. In most cases, your student will spend most of the day at their language school or on field trips. Their nights will be free, and they may be available on weekends. This is an excellent opportunity to act as their tour guide and take them to your favorite locations. The length of your student's stay is determined by their age. Younger adolescent students often stay with their host family for 2 to 3 weeks over the summer vacation, although senior language school students may stay for up to 6 weeks. Many colleges also operate exchange programs, and these students typically require housing for the whole semester. Provide parking. Renting out your driveway is an excellent way to supplement your full-time income and earn additional cash, especially if you live near a major city, railway station, or airport. It's possible that you might make up to $1,000 tax-free with every little effort. There are various ways to supplement your income and raise your bank account in the current gig-focused economy. Whether it's adding a second job, part-time work, or a weekend job to your calendar. Just make sure you're keeping an eye out for the good opportunities, but also be wary of those that seem like they could be scams. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.